Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to boot our Xiaomi mobile into recovery mode. So to do the booting process with the recovery mode of Xiaomi phone, initially if your phone is switched on, just get your phone to power off mode by just pressing the power button, and then you'll have an option to power off or just initially shut down your mobile. After shutting down, you can straight away do certain step to get into recovery mode. I'll tell you. Once the mobile is switched off, then you can straight away go to power button and volume up button. Just press both the buttons, press power button and volume up button, and press it simultaneously for certain seconds so that mobile gets enter into recovery mode. Let's see what it's happening. The Android One logo has come on screen. After that, right, you have been connected to recovery mode. So simple. So you have to leave that one. Once it's enter, you have to leave that one. I have not left. Yes, this is the one which you are looking for, and once you find this recovery mode logo, you can straight away connect your Android device to your PC or laptop, and you can do whatever the recovery thing you want to do as a part of a recovery process. So this is the way how you can enter into Xiaomi mobile for recovery process. So by any chance, by a mistake, if you have entered into this mode, how to come out of this one is a simple process. If you are into this recovery mode by accident, then you can come out of this mode by simply pressing this power button for certain seconds. Just press it on and hold it for seconds. This will be doing your work, right? Simple. And you come out of this recovery mode, and again you've been logging into your phone so easily. Observe, Android One has come, and thereafter Xiaomi logo will appear on your mobile. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the